Hello. I've talked a couple times in the past how important visualization is. And we did this technique where you have the flow field visualized by the arrows, which though to visualize that way in GRASS GIS is a bit cumbersome. So there are a few other methods I want to make you familiar with. And one is actually very simple to use. It's the hydrological modeling, and then you go on the flow line visualization, and it does exactly what the name already says. So it calculates a flow line. So it's made here for elevation raster map, but we could just take our pressure head distribution. We'll take it from the pumping test, but you can use anyway as the elevation map. We don't have any other input maps. It's usually done for topographic surfaces. Now we need a couple of output maps here. Say I would call it flow line, flow path length, and flow accumulation. Right, well, you can modify here how many cells you want to have spared between them, between flow lines, and the maximum number of segments of a flow line. I don't actually have that, so just hit run. Now you can see the flow isolation. You can you can just look at the flow lines. You can put those ones on top of your pumping setup, so you can see, okay, every flow line that starts somewhere here, how a particle that is released at each of those points is moving towards the pumping station, how it would flow depending on the flow field. All right. See the flow length, that's maybe not as interesting. You can look at the accumulation, which also is not so much interesting for us in the sense we're looking here, but the flow lines are interesting. This is already the method for visualizing the flow field using flow lines. Thank you.